Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to save a project in CapCut PC. So saving a project in CapCut PC is actually very simple. So if you're working on a project and if you want to save it without exporting it, that means if you want to save this project within the CapCut, all you have to do is simply close this project file. So simply click on the cross icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here that particular project will be closed, but it will be saved in the project section. Now if you want to export the project, for that what you have to do is simply click on the project that you want to export. Now you can see over here that particular project will be opened. So if you want to save and export it, simply click on the export option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to export this project. You can name it, simply click on the field of name. Now you'll be able to provide the name over here. Likewise, you can also select the destination. Simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. After that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the destination. So simply select the preferred destination. Now click on the option select folder. You can also adjust the settings like watermark, resolution, format, etc. Now after you adjust all of these settings, what you have to do is click on the export option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this project will be saved and exported to that destination. So like this you'll be able to save the project. So that is how you save a project in CapCut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.